Hey Glam Fam, welcome back besties. Today we're going to be unboxing some laundry room essentials. I got these because my boys are doing their laundry and I feel like they were using too much of my detergent. And so this will help them to kind of monitor. Plus, it will also help to make my laundry room look pretty because I'm in the process of, slowly jazzing up the laundry room. All right, so those are scoops that I bought for the powdered soap as well as in-wash boosters. All right, now let's get into this bigger box and we're going to unbox what's in here. And then we are going to show you guys how to set up. Pretty easy install, after I looked at the one-pager, the tiny one-pager manual that came in here. It's nicely packaged. 2 items came in. So the first one, this is for the drying sheets. How cute is this? I will have to label this and I'll label this later. But how cute is this? All right, so that's that. And I'll show you how I'm going to set it up later, but I'll be labeling that. Now let's get into the box that contains the jars. What jars? Wait for it. All right, so inside the box, you have your non-slip pad. This is what you're going to set your jars on. That's what that is looking like. All right, next I am pulling out the 2 silicone type measuring cups. This is definitely going to help my boys monitor my soap. Yes. And next we have like the name tags. Cute little name tags where you're going to put your detergent on your softener, and then inside this smaller box is the little tools that you're going to set up, like the little pipe area of your jar. That's the stand that you're going to put your jars on. And then out comes the jar, and it's not a cookie jar. Okay, people. All right, they were nicely wrapped. Nothing was broken because I've bought stuff from Amazon before and I've had to return it like more than once. But yeah, this came properly secured. So what I'm gonna do here is I am going to fix one, and then I'm gonna show you guys close up how I attach the spigot and all the other little screws and nuts that comes with it, so that the fabric softener can flow nicely out of the jar. All right, let's take a break to de-stress. Do you love popping these? Yes or no? Comment down below if you love popping these. So yeah, enough of that. Let's move on. All right, so here are the in-wash boosters, also in a jar. I want to say I got this jar though from Burlington. I want to say Burlington. So there's my scoop that I was showing you guys earlier. And it goes to the jar. And I'm going to refill this into a moment. I'll refill that in a moment. So yeah, that's just so pretty. And you know how stressful laundry is. So making the laundry room pretty will give you that energy to just do the laundry. Just do the laundry. Okay, so now I'm looking at that one pager and I am assembling the first jar. I will give you guys a close-up when I'm doing the second one, because girl gotta get it right first before she show it to you guys, right? You may be wondering where I got this jar. I will be putting a link in the description below. It's on Amazon. I'll also take you over there in just a second. So we're pulling apart all the pieces. Spigot is right there. In Jamaica we say, okay, that's probably a pipe cock. So the little tools that's in the bag. So we're gonna open the jar, and then we're going to put this spigot in the hole that's in the jar. You want to remove that little nut, attach that one. The instruction is pretty simple. They call that the chrome. And then you're going to attach the waterproof washer, which is what I'm doing right now. So basically you have the same thing inside the jar and outside. And all of that is going to prevent the liquid from coming through. You're going to put that inside the jar. That's our waterproof washer. We're gonna attach that on the inside. Next, we're going to attach the chrome washer. After the chrome washer, we are going to place the nut over it. And after you've screwed on your nut, finish it off. We're placing the filter cap. So easy, no stress. All right, now for the test. I'm gonna put water in here to do a test run. All right, so jar number 1, and it works. It works perfectly. And this is jar number 2. So I think we're good to go, you guys. All right, so let's go into the laundry room. This is the dryer, so we're gonna place it on top of the dryer. I had a container with hangers because I don't always use the dryer to save electricity. I do not always use the dryer, so we hang clothes on hangers sometimes and put them in the garage. But anyway, let's get into this. The non-slip pad or mat is on top of the dryer. We're gonna add the stand for the jars. By the way, the jars are 1 gallon. And I'm gonna fix the jars on here. Just testing out to see, you know, if it will move out of place on its own. Placing the other jar. I'm gonna pour fabric softener. I'm gonna leave that to drain. All right, we're gonna leave that on there so we can get every drop out of it. And when I'm done with that, I'm gonna put some water, use it in the laundry before I toss the bottle out. All right, next we're gonna do the same thing with the soap. The detergent goes in here. I like to buy detergent on sale, buy one get one free, since this is something that we are always gonna be using, so I watch for sales. All right, so this is our drying sheets that goes in here. Oh, nicely that's covered. Then in comes our in-wash booster. We're gonna tap that off. And then we'll get our measuring cups right here. All right, so I'm gonna put the lids on, and then I'm going to add the little tags or labels. I already had like a white marker that I used for something else, so it did not come with the marker, but it's very easy to install. The mason jars are very sturdy. This is what it's looking like. This is not a collaboration. I bought this with my own cha-ching chang. So where can you find this? There are a number of these right over here. Amazon. Easy to install. I really do like it. I will be linking it in the description below if you do want to grab something like this for your laundry room. This is monitor control, people. Monitoring my boys when they're doing their laundry so they don't waste my soap. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.